Look, boys, you're gonna be picking her up for her first date. At least if you're a real man, you're gonna pick her up on her first date. Let's be real, we've known this before. Your possessions are a direct reflection of you. Today, boys, I'm gonna show you the exact mistakes you make in your vehicle that women hate when men do. But in your head, you think you're the best. You think you're the man. See, I actually read the statistic where most men, I think it was like 75% of men believe that they're great drivers, yet 90% of accidents are human error. So there's definitely a correlation between you thinking you're the best on the road and you actually making a fool out of yourself. I don't want you to make a fool out of yourself, so here are the 6 biggest mistakes you make in your car. Let's go. Number 1, and probably the most important one, your car is dirty. You have a dirty car. My guy, it is... Your personal space is a reflection of you, just like your bedroom and your bathroom are. So if you want to make a good killer first impression, keep it clean, keep it tidy. It's also a reflection of how much you value what you own. So keeping it clean inside, it costs you nothing. It's a little bit of effort and it goes a long way. Which takes us on to number 2. It kind of tags on to that, but it's a smelly car. Yo, I can't tell you how many times I've hopped into somebody else's car and it just stinks. It smells weird. Like, I don't know if it's the leftover gym equipment in the back, but it just has this raunchy, musky smell. Imagine putting your girl in there. Do you really think you're going to get lucky in that car? Probably not. At this point, she is dry as a desert. I want to change that. I want to flip that. I know your space is a reflection of you, and what you need to understand is that the olfactory sense, the smell, it's one of the most powerful sensory overloads you can have on a woman. So making sure your car smells good is important, but I don't want you to have that tacky ass Christmas tree hanging from your rearview mirror. Nah. You know your boy wasn't just gonna come up with some simple solution. See, with Santa Lucia, this July 10th, we're dropping our car diffuser. And it's not just any car diffuser. Santa Lucia is our luxury brand, our upscale brand. This is a luxury car diffuser. My guy, you put this in any car, it's not only gonna smell good, it's gonna make the car look good. See, when we started designing this diffuser, I wanted it to look modern, sleek, and to actually level up your car. So when you throw it in, it looks good. It doesn't look tacky or cheap. This is why we made it out of a premium metal. When you feel it, it's hefty. It's built to last. On top of that, we have little carbon ceramic plates that come in our kit. You're gonna get 3 different carbon ceramic plates. That way you can swap them out depending on the oil you wanna use. Here's the kicker. The 3 oils that come in the box are our Come Closer to Conquering Every Day. And if you know, those 3 scents killed it our last launch. They actually sold out within the first day because their Come Closer scent is that rose-infused scent that draws women in. The Conquering scent is our boss scent. It's powerful, it's overpowering, it's motivating. And our everyday scent, it's chill, it's relaxed, it's refreshing. Well, you're gonna get all 3 oils in your car diffuser kit. So here's the cool part. You got a date, drop a few droplets of Come Closer, set it up, put it in the AC, and just turn that whole car into a vibe. My guy, your chances of getting lucky that day just increased tenfold. Let's say you got a job interview, or you just feel like the man, you're vibing, you feel like a boss. So what do? You swap the carbon ceramic, you put a new one in, now you put droplets of our 2 Conquering scent. You see where I'm going here? Our scents can match your vibe and will definitely level up your car. And this July 10th, if it's anything like our last launch that sold out, if you want this, you need to put a reminder on your phone because I promise you, it's gonna move fast. Number 3, driving recklessly. See, cutting through traffic and cutting through all the cars ain't as cool as you think it is in your head. See, not only are you putting yourself in danger, you're putting her in danger. Automatically, she's already turned off, but in your head, you think you're Dom Toretto from Fast and the Furious, but that's not what she's seeing. And moreover, on top of all that, you could end up killing somebody else, which is all just stupid. Which is equal to number 4, jumping off of red lights. I can't tell you how many times I've been in a red light and the dude next to me, just because he sees a nice car, jumps off the red light like I'm here trying to race him. Yo, nobody is trying to race you, and every time you do that, you're just giving your girl in the passenger seat a mad whiplash. Yo, she's just trying to get out the car at this point. She's probably nauseous. Number 5, road rage. Hey, look, I'm gonna admit my wrongs. I've been this guy before, and I'm working overtime to not be this dude because, see, here's the thing, road rage gets you nothing other than ruin your day, and it's a reflection of your anger problems and your lack of self-control. So having road rage, especially with somebody else in the car, it's never a good look. Number 6, buying a car that you can't afford. I promise you, my guy, that BMW, it won't get you more girls. It isn't as impressive as you think it is. Also, they actually might deter girls, because see, if they see that you're barely just paying off that car or you're struggling just to pay that car, it's just gonna be seen as a lack of maturity or a lack of financial knowledge, knowing that you risked everything for a depreciating asset that really provides no value whatsoever. Buying a car that you can't afford is probably the worst look for you and the worst decision financially you can make. And finally, number 7 is texting while driving, something we're probably all guilty of, but it never looks better. It doesn't get any better. See, this is just as dangerous as driving under the influence, as driving drunk. At the end of the day, it's similar to driving recklessly, where it's not only that you're putting your own life at risk, you're putting the passenger's life at risk, and if you got a first date, it's already a bad look, and more importantly, you're putting somebody else's life at risk that has nothing to do with the entire picture, which means the text message can wait, the TikTok can wait, it's not worth it. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 7 driving mistakes you are making that are just bad. They're a bad look, they're not attractive. That's it for me today. See you next time.